it's mad. Yo, get that. Mad, man. Now we're about to get into Southy Love. Fun fact, I haven't heard the song. I know it's been out and it's been one of the biggest songs, and everyone there's been nothing but great compliments about the song. But yeah, I haven't heard it completely. But yeah, I guess you see the reaction now for Southy Love. Let's go. I definitely heard clips of it around for sure. I've never heard the whole thing.
Girl, I want to see you tonight. I will catch you flight and come see you tonight.
Too good, too good.
Girl, I want to see you tonight. I will catch you flight and come see you tonight. Cause this distance is killing me for sure. So give me for more. Give me meat on top. I want this, your love.
Give me meat on top. I love the part where he was like, is it killing me for sure? So give me for more. Give me meat on top. I want this love. That's so funny, man. Fireboy having some clever lines here too, man. I love it. I love to see two great songwriters come on the record to have fun, to show their personality, to seem very creative. You know what I mean? I love it.
I go take flight and I will fly to you. I should waste time. I feel they run to you.
I did take flight. That explains the cover. The cover looks like they're at the terminal or something in the airport. So the line about I go take flights, it makes sense why the cover looks like that. Actually, I'm connecting it. It makes sense. Fireboy, man. Fireboy is mad. Yo, get that. Man. P Prime is a freaking beast with this beat, bro. Can you hear what that beat is doing in the chorus? I'm just letting it vibe out, right? They're letting the beats breathe, and it's taking serious presence with those bass guitar runs. It's so, man, it's so powerful, man. It's too powerful. This kid P Prime is a monster, man.
I don't wanna lose you.
Okay, Peru.
You get style. Me, I don't shibang, but I don't know, no. I go and die.
Yo, the way Peruzzi entered, man. I don't wanna lose you. Come on, bro. Come on.
I don't belong, I don't know, no. I'm on a radar. I go take flight.
See.
And I go fly to you. I should waste time. I feel to come to you. I can't get enough of your salty love. Oh, girl, you got me wanting more. Mash it body, mash it body.
Yeah, the whistle. Hey. P Prime. Crazy, and the fact that Fireboy is a very good vocalist too, man. And bro, the delivery here is just top notch, bro. Come on.
Oh, girl, you got me wanting more.
The melody.
I can't get enough of your
That
salty
melody.
love.
There.
Oh, girl, you got me wanting more. Mash it body, mash it body.
Hey, don't do this. If you guys don't know Yoruba, that mashe bayi means don't do this. Like, give me more of that Southy Love. Don't do this. I love it, man. I love this record. It makes sense how this song was like one of the biggest songs on that on that Amapiano wave last year. It was a very good record. It was a very good listen, man. It makes sense. Again, P Prime bodying it with the solo, with that portion of the song that they let the beats breathe. Peruzzi was very intentional too. Like, Fireboy obviously stole the show by being on the hook. Peruzzi had a very strong verse too. It's a very good collaboration, man. Very, very fine collaboration. And it makes sense in the context of the album too. even though it feels like Change Your Style was another similar direction that this one went with, but Change Your Style didn't have half of the level of intentionality that this one did. This one felt more like they felt like rent was due when they were writing this one. It definitely did. The melody is so sweet, so infectious, man. And that mashe bye. That line, even though I've not heard the song, but like I see clips of this Southy Love like over the internet, and like that particular mashe bye. That line is so like it's so memorable, it's so impactful that you remember it, and as soon as the line is about to come up, you're just saying it, man. I just love that Fireboy was brought into this album, and it makes sense for the context of the album.